Are you frustrated with character limit reached? Message on ELEVENLabs. You are not alone. Many users have encountered this issue, especially when trying to generate longer content. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to tackle this problem effectively. First, let's understand why this happens. ELEVENLabs have specific character limits depending on your plan. Free account can capped at 10,000 characters per month, while paid plans can offer up to 30,000 characters. If you have hit that limit, you will need to wait for your monthly reset or consider upgrading your plans. Start by logging into your ELEVENLabs account. Navigate to the account details section where you can see your character uses and when it's reset. This will help you determine if you have genuinely reached your limit or if there a glitch. If you are frequently hitting the limit, consider breaking your content into smaller segments instead of generating one long text. Try creating multiple shorter pieces. This way you can maximize your usage without exceeding the character cap. If you find yourself consistently needing more characters, it might be time to upgrade to a paid plan. For just $5 a month, you can access 30,000 characters, which is ideal for longer project and frequent use. If ELEVENLabs continues to restrictive for your needs, consider exploring other text-to-speech services like Koku AI or Build Your Voice services and Mac and Windows. This can provide similar quality without the small and same limitations. In conclusion, while hitting a character limit on ELEVENLabs can be frustrating, there are actionable steps you can take to resolve this issue. By checking your account details, optimize your content, considering an upgrade and exploring alternatives, you can continue creating without interruptions. Don't let limits hold you back. Take charge of your content creation today.